Good morning, students. Today we are going to see about 4th standard social science, unit 2, physical features of Tamil Nadu. Students, in last class we learnt about the landscape of Tamil Nadu. In today's class we are going to learn about waterfalls of Tamil Nadu, climate of Tamil Nadu, forests. Okay, let us see waterfalls of Tamil Nadu. Students, waterfalls are nothing but if the river flows down from the mountain. This called as waterfalls. So, these are very enjoyable tourism places. Let us see in detail about each of them. Tamil Nadu has several waterfalls. Some of them are Okkenekal waterfalls, Kutralam waterfalls, Suruli waterfalls, and Vattaparai waterfalls. First, let us see Okkenekal waterfalls. Okkenekal waterfalls is located in Dharmaburi and the river Kaveri. It is called as the Niagara of India. It is called as the Niagara of India. Where is Okkenekal waterfalls located? Okkenekal waterfalls is located in Dharmaburi. Next, Kutralam waterfalls. Kutralam waterfalls is located in Tenkasi on the river Chittar. Kutralam waterfalls is located in Tenkasi. There are a total of 9 falls of which Peraruvi, Aindaruvi and Puliyaruvi are the most important. Next, third one, Suruli waterfalls. Suruli waterfalls is located in Theni. It is also called the Meghamalai Falls. Where is Suruli waterfalls is located? Suruli waterfalls is located in Theni. Last one, Vattaparai waterfalls. Vattaparai waterfalls is located in Kanyakumari. People are allowed to take a natural path here. Vattaparai waterfalls is located in Kanyakumari. It is surrounded by forest on all sides. It is surrounded by forest on all sides. Okay, students, where is Vattaparai waterfalls located? Vattaparai waterfalls located in Kanyakumari. Let us see climate in Tamil Nadu. Students, what is the meaning of climate? The average weather condition in an area over a long period. This is called as climate. Let us see what about Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu experiences tropical climate seasons. The temperature during summer can rise up to 40 degrees Celsius. The temperature during summer can rise up to 40 degrees Celsius. The seasons of Tamil Nadu are winter season, summer season, southwest monsoon, northwest monsoon. The period of winter season is January to February. The period of summer season is March to May. Southwest monsoon, it starts from June and into September. Northwest monsoon starts from October and into December. Okay, students, what are the season of Tamil Nadu? Winter season, summer season, southwest monsoon, northwest monsoon. Next, let us see forest. A large area covered with trees. It is called forest. A large area covered with trees. It is called forest. Most of the forests are found near the Ghats. Most of the forests are found near the Ghats. Students, I already told Ghats are nothing but mountain ranges. So the forests are mostly found near the mountain ranges. The topmost branches of the trees from a continuous chain such that little or sunlight hits the ground. This is called canopy. This is called canopy. So, when the trees are grown in a very close manner, the topmost branches combine together and they form one structure called canopy. The forests are divided based on the canopy. Very dense forest, moderate dense forest, open forest. Very dense forest, the Nilgiris, Erode, Coimbatore, Tirunelveli. Moderate dense forest, the Nilgiris, Coimbatore, Erode, Krishnagiri. Open forest, Salem, Vellore, Dharmaburi. The forest can also be grouped as evergreen forest, deciduous forest, swamp or mangrove forest. First let us see evergreen forest. The word evergreen means ever, always plus green equal always green. We find evergreen forests in the western Ghats of Tirunelveli, Kanyakumari, the Nilgiris and Coimbatore. We find evergreen forests in the western Ghats of Tirunelveli, Kanyakumari, the Nilgiris and Coimbatore. So, this forest always look green. So, the forest name is evergreen forest. This forest always look green. So, the forest name is evergreen forest. Next one, deciduous forest. The trees in this forest shed their leaves during the dry season. The trees in this forest shed their leaves during the dry season. Shed means the leaves of the trees fall down. Shed means the leaves of the trees fall down. These forests are usually found near the evergreen forest. These forests are usually found near the evergreen forest. The word deciduous means that the leaves of the trees shed their every year. The word deciduous means that the leaves of the trees shed every year. Deciduous forests are found near the evergreen forest. Next, swamp or mangrove forest. Swamp or mangrove forest. The word swamp means area that are low where water get collected easily. These forests are usually found near the beaches and riverbeds. The word swamp means area that are low where water get collected easily. These forests are usually found near the beaches and riverbeds. The Pichavaram mangrove forest is located near Chidambaram in Tamil Nadu. The Pichavaram mangrove forest is located near Chidambaram in Tamil Nadu. Where is Pichavaram mangrove forest located? Pichavaram mangrove forest is located near Chidambaram in Tamil Nadu. Okay, my dear students, what did we see now? Waterfalls of Tamil Nadu, climate of Tamil Nadu and forest. Okay students, I hope that you understood the lesson. So, I will give the question answers. You must study and write in your social science note. Thank you.